Good morning everyone and welcome to Rhyme Time here at Moreton Bay Region Libraries. My name is Cassie and are you all ready to get started today? Perfect. Okay, and just a few quick messages, just one actually. Any rhyme that we do today you can do at home at any time during your normal routine. I like to sing Shake Your Sillies Out during bath time and it's a lot of fun. Okay, we'll start off with our acknowledgement to country. Ready? Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, and we are on Gubby Gubby and you Dumby people ground. Good job everyone. Okay, now we're going to say good morning. Can I all see your waving hands? Good job. They're very, very happy this morning, aren't we? Okay. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Oh, good job. Fantastic. Okay, our first song will be a very short one, but we're going to be doing Incy Wincy Spider. Do you know how to do your little Incy Wincies up your trunk? There we go. Or you can do your little hand actions like this. Are you all ready? Good. Incy Wincy Spider went climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Good job. Now should we do one about a tree and when it's snowing? Because it's really, really cold at the moment. Incy Wincy Spider went climbing up a tree. Down came the snow and made poor Incy freeze. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the snow. So Incy Wincy Spider had another go. Oh, good job everyone. Fantastic. Should we do a little long one? This one is about a friendly frog. Does anyone recognize this guy? Oh yes, he comes from our first 5 forever packs, which if you're very new, you can come to the library and get one. And they're very, very good and very, very friendly. This one's name is Fred. So hello, Fred. Hello. Oh, good job. Okay, we're gonna sing a song about frogs now. And this one is a really good one with our counting fingers. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 speckled frogs. Glug, glug. There we go. Now we've got our 4 frogs. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Glug, glug. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 3 frogs, Fred. Oh, okay, let's keep going. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 speckled frog. Glug, glug. Are you the only one left, Fred? Oh, okay. Well, we better sing the last part so you can jump into the pool. Okay, ready? 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no speckled frogs. Glug, glug. Oh, good job. And I think Fred's doing very, very nicely in his nice cool pool. Okay, are we all ready for another song? I think we should do another special one. Now you might have heard this one a lot, but we're going to do open shut them. We're going to do it once, very normally, and I think the next one we should do as fast as possible. Okay, we're all ready? Good. Open, shut them, give a little clap. Good clapping. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Oh, good job. Creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Good job. Shake them, just like this. Roll them, blow a little kiss. Good job. Are you ready to do it super, super fast? Good job. Are we all ready? Okay. Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, just like this. Roll them, blow a little kiss. Good job, everyone. Okay, I think that was very, very tiring for our arms. Why don't we do a bouncing one? And if your parents are sitting there with you, they can bounce you along. We're going to do our bounce you here. Is everyone ready to bounce? Good job. So we start with this one. I bounce you here, I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. I hug you here, I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. Fantastic. Should we do that once more? I think so. Ready, everyone? I bounce you here, I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. I hug you here, I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. Good job. Okay, so for our next song, I think we should do another special rhyme. I think we should do, maybe one about some fish and another counting one. Are we all ready to count our hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did I let him go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Do you have your right pinky up and wiggling it? Oh, good job. Good job. Okay, now our last song. We're going to do X marks the spot, but I'm going to do it on my hand. And back at home, you can be doing it on your back or on your belly. It's up to you. Are we all ready? X marks the spot with a circle and a dot. Up the ladder, down the ladder, spot, spot, spot. Feel the breeze, let's all blow. And feel the squeeze, give a bit of a hug. And have a cuddle if you please. Good job. I think we should do that once more. X marks the spot with a circle and a dot. Up the ladder, down the ladder, spot, spot, spot. Feel the breeze. Feel the squeeze. And have a cuddle if you please. Good job, everyone. Okay, now I'm afraid it's time to go. So we're gonna have slightly sadder hands to say goodbye. You ready? Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Goodbye, everyone.